Hi folks, and welcome back to Fishing with Den. Well, today I'm going to show you how to do some freelining for carp. And by freelining I mean basically just a size 6 hook with a piece of bread on it, either fishing just on the surface or allowing the bait to sink. And I'm going to be fishing in very shallow water, which is probably anything from 6 inches, 15 centimetres to maybe 18 inches or 45 centimetres deep. And I'm going to be fishing pretty much right in front of me. Let me show you. Let me show you then. This is the tidal river in town, which I fish quite often. I'm in my favourite swim, and I'm going to fish just down into these reeds to my left and just forward of them. It's probably about 30 centimetres deep there, about a foot deep. And as you can see at the moment, I'm fishing with a method feeder. And if I just show you, I'll just take this down and put it in front of me. That's kind of where I'm going to be fishing, just there, for the free-lined ones anyway. I'll also be trying right down in front of me here, and as you can see at the moment the tide's still coming in, so it's only, oh I don't know, 5 centimetres deep or so. It's a bit of discarded bait on the bottom, but let's see if we can catch right down there too. Well, I know there's a few fish out there because I've seen some tail patterns just down in front of me now. I had some bread out there, but the only thing that's attracting at the moment is these ducks, and so I was going to fish on the surface with the bread, but I think I'm going to make it sink. However, this is about freelining, so let me show you the way to do things. First of all, take your bread, put it in, lose that bit, and then just squeeze. Now you can see I've got some nice fluffy stuff there, and that will float. There. So, as you see, floating quite nicely. And also, now I've dunked it, I could also cast this quite a long way, so that's quite a nice little tip for you there. If you want it to sink, just take off some of the fluffy stuff, as you see there, and just put it in, and now it'll sink very gently. So that's all there is to it. It's just a hook, which is a size 6 in this case, and a piece of bread, and you just literally watch the line for bites. There we go, something happening I think. And go on, fish pull. The line did move. I'm going to hit it. Oh, wrong. Okay, rod tip. Let's let it go down. Let's see what happens. Something's moving it. Yay, there we go. Whoa! Who'd have thunk? It's not a bad fish either. And just for the record, this is a size 6 hook. Highly unusual for me. Here we go. I won't be catching many more down there for a while. Come on, fish. That's in what? Less than a foot of water? Come on, fish. That'll do. Yay! That's a nice fish. That's got to be 8 or 9 pounds, that one at least. Well, 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 more fish under my feet than anywhere else today. Wasn't expecting that. Come on, fish. There we go. Yeah. Oh, that's not bad. That's a bigger fish. Bigger, fatter fish. Alright fish, alright, don't go mad. There we go. Nice fish. Yeah, there we go. Well, who knew, eh? Who knew? The more I do this, the less I think I know. Here he comes. There we go, that'll do. Well, that's 3 from the edge on bread. He's actually not a bad fish. Not a bad fish at all. Yeah, there we go. And it's a mullet. Well, that'd be right, wouldn't it? No wonder there were strange bites. Well, just goes to show it works though, eh? I guess. I'd say that was another mullet personally. Yep. So that's free lining for carp in its most basic form, guys. I've been lucky today. The fish have been right under my feet and just off down to my left over there. I wasn't able to catch on the surface. They didn't want to come up today, and I did in fact have to catch using subsurface. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you know the score. Click the like button. If you want to subscribe, you can do that too. And until the next time, bye for now.